The Skyrider X1 is the world's first amphibious motorcycle, meaning it can drive, fly, and even land on water. Imagine being able to cruise down the freeway, soar over a mountain, and land on a river all in one vehicle. This fully electric motorcycle is made of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum materials, which help it reach a top flight speed of 62 miles per hour. In addition, it features 8 propellers, which allow it to take off and land with ease, ensuring a seamless ride. During flight, the Skyrider X1 can automatically adjust flight altitude, speed, and direction according to weather conditions. In addition, the Skyrider X1 also has automatic takeoff and landing functions. The pilot only needs to set the destination and the aircraft will automatically complete the takeoff and landing process according to the preset route. Check out this crazy tree climbing machine called the Arecanut Tree Climber. In places like the Amazon rainforest, trees are a major part of the people's economy and way of life. They're a source of nuts, fruits, and medicine that are in high demand all around the world. But because some of these trees grow up to 115 feet tall, it can be difficult to harvest them. But not anymore. Companies like Arecanut partnered with local communities to design a portable and functional bike that would help farmers increase their yields while also preserving trees. Just another example of how smart technology can help both people and the environment. Meet Sara Giusto, a virtual human producer who manages virtual digital influencers like digital fashion model Ima. Ima is actually not a real person, but was created by digital artists using computer software. Ima has been featured in many promotions for famous brands such as Coach and IKEA. Her lifelike appearance and personality keeps Ima one of fashion's most in-demand and popular models. Sara Giusto works with creative teams to help support and design fashion campaigns for Ima. Sara oversees the entire process, including managing timelines, budgets, and delivering high-quality digital characters. Wait a minute, Mr. Pat can get paid being a model? Get Sara on the phone! Ultra is a new, fully autonomous tactical vehicle from Overland AI, designed to operate with no human assistance. While Ultra can use map data when available, it is designed to analyze terrain and navigate unexplored areas in real time. This hyper-intelligent ATV features a 4x4 wheel platform, a maximum range of 100 miles per tank, and a top speed of 35 miles per hour. It is designed to traverse through mud, sand, and snow during any weather conditions, and can climb super steep inclines. Ultra can also be used to deploy drones or deliver supply kits, thanks to its spacious payload. This impressive vehicle is designed to assist in many situations, such as navigating unexplored areas. What? Ultra needs to pull up to Mr. Pat's house. I need a ride to the corner store.